So what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll talk about four websites where you can just easily, in just 10 minutes, to create your own website for business, for shopping, for anyone you wish. So here we can see the first website, the Wix, very easy, convenient website, and the interface also very friendly. So here we can see the main page, the landing page of the website. So it's very easy. So you can just go to create your blog, business, internet magazine, e-commerce design, CV, and a landing page. So you can just to 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 put your own pictures also, to create your website and to write your own stories, and just in one click and one clickable. So it's very easy. So let's scrolling down. So this kind of this page is not necessary for us. It's kind of the question asking. So mm, let's see the templates. Here we can see, just you can choose any templates you wish for your business or for your I don't know, for your market or for your personal blog. You can, what here we can see, choose your landing page. It's a landing page site, and you can just scroll, and for the next page you can see, very beautiful, very beautiful. So let's move to the next website. In the next website, here we can see Weebly, also very convenient, one of the convenient website for professional to create your website, own website. So here we can see the also templates of the websites. So in this website, you can just get step-by-step guidance on how to build and launch a website with experts, startup guides, and planning tools. And also get discovered with a professional website, easily customized with our free website builder, and also all-in-one powerful e-commerce tools to simplify order management, shipping, and payments also. And of course, find new customers, and with integrated marketing tools from Facebook ads to automated email campaigns. Also, let's see here. We can see the also templates of the how to look the website here. And then let's move to the next one. It's a Ucraft, very powerful and very easy to use this website. It all starts with a new website also. So everyone is asking, what is Ucraft? Ucraft is a user-friendly drag-and-down website builder. Anyone who wants to create a professional and personal website, whether you are a small business owner, an entrepreneur, arts blogger, or anything in between, to build a website for your brand. So it's a also, I suggest to use this website to create your logo marker, blogging platform, or any you wish in your career. So, and the last one here we can see Jimdo, also one of one of the best websites. Just you can spend your time without effort. So very use friendly to use this website. You can see that's it in all in one page. So use these guys for your wish, and create your personal brand, and start your own business. Thank you guys for your attention. See you in my next videos. Thank you.